Hey, what's up everyone? It's Chris again, and I'm back with another Monster Hunter World figure. This time it's the A rank prize of the ichibankuji. Ichibankuji is like a lottery that where you go to the convenience store, you pay like 600 yen, and you get this ticket. You open the ticket, and you get a ranked prize. For Monster Hunter, it was like A through G. So this was the top prize, and I've had it for, shoot, I think probably less than a year now. This was a while back, and yeah, I never really opened it, so now I'm gonna open it up. Here is the side of the box, and as you can see, it's pretty big. Like, here's some scissors, right? And here's the top, and it comes with a handle so that you could carry it away from the convenience store. They don't have a bag big enough for this. And here's one of the sides. Here's the back, and this is what the figure looks like. The other side, and nothing on the bottom. So it says it's a soft vinyl figure. I'm not sure what ICS is though. But yeah, let's open it up. So as you can see, it comes in a clamshell. And let's go and open that up. Here it is. Really cool looking figure. It's, yeah, very soft. Right, this part is a bit hard. But the wings, they're kind of bendable. Spikes feel really good. Right. Much bigger than the Capcom figure builder stuff. Much bigger. There's a little line here. I wonder if this was a mold problem, or maybe that's just how the figure is. Underside. Cool. And it even comes with some stands. Like, you would just put it on the wherever you're going to display it. And I guess to keep the wings intact, you know, you keep these to you put them to keep them up. And there's two of them. Oh, there goes the other one. Jeez. So yeah, there's two, and then one for each side. But cool figure. Really cool. Here I'm not feeling this right here. The horns, they look I don't know. It looks weird. It looks like the horns. He's wearing a costume, just like the Zora Magdaros Capcom figure builder. It has these weird lines here, where it looks like he's wearing horns as a costume. Like it just doesn't look natural, I guess. But everything else is cool. It's pretty dope. It's huge. So let me get the Capcom figure builder, Nergigante, and let's compare the size. We'll be right back. Alright, so here's a bird's eye view of both figures side by side. Here is the Capcom figure builder standard model from volume plus 10. And then here is the figure we just opened. So considerably larger, probably about 2 times or 3 times larger than this. I don't know. I think the painting looks a lot better on the Capcom figure builder than this one. I do like that purple, the purplish here, and under the wings, that blue, where it doesn't have much of that on the soft vinyl one. And even on the back, you see that blue, and there is even kind of a purplish tint. I do wish that this had it. And like here, the horns look awesome. Where here, again, it has those lines. I'm not into that. Still a cool figure. I like the size of it. Just wish that, yeah, the paint apps were better. All right, so that's that. There are other things that I got from the ichibankuji, and it happened, let's see, I want to say around June or July of 2018. So like I said, I've had it for almost a year. Let me go show you the other things too. Hold on. All right, so another prize level was B, and it is the Vigoroth. It's a plushie. I'm gonna keep it in the plastic because I probably will try to sell this. It's cute, but not for me. I'd rather have like monsters for plushies. And here, kind of soft here. It's soft here, and it's kind of like a bendable. Almost feels like it's cardboard. I mean, I can't tell through the plastic, but it's thicker than the Monster Hunter plushies. Like I have the Poke. Those wings are a little soft, where these are a little harder. Alright, so that's B. The C prize I didn't get, but it's like some sound box that you push a button and some sound effects come out from it. I wasn't really thrilled about that, but whatever. Then the D prizes were plates, and there are 3 designs: Rathalos, Nerg, and Kirin. Let's open this one up just to show you the design. And as you can see, it's just bigger than my palm. But again, I have small hands. So really cool design. All right, let's look at the other 2 designs. Here's the Kirin design. And these are awesome. It just looks like someone splashed ink all over this thing and it turned into Kirin. And then I like this red part. It's really cool. This is like what Japanese artists use. Like there's this kind of stamp that they use to stamp on their art. This is not the artist's name. It just basically says Kirin. If you check out some of my artwork, I have my own stamp as well. And here's the Rathalos one. This one's a little difficult to see what's going on, but yeah, there's his head. I think it's a little too busy. And that basically says fire and dragon. I didn't show you what the backside said or has. It's really nothing. But it is official, right? There's Capcom. And made by Brand Presto 2018. Alright, so those are the D prizes. Let's move on. Next up, E prizes, and it says Reflector Charm. So you can use these like to put on your bags or whatever. This box was already open, and the one that was in this was Anjanath. So it's basically the icon of the large monster, and it has their footprint, and it's reflective. Pretty cool. You can use it as a keychain, or like I said, put it on your backpack or bag or whatever. If you ride bikes at night, good way for drivers to see you. And there are 6 different designs: Rathalos, Legiana, Odog, Toby, Diablos, and NG. And I have all 6, but I just brought 4 of them. You saw the Anjanath. Here's the Diablos one. Here's the Toby one. And then here's Rathalos. Pretty cool. Alright, going down the alphabet, F. And they are cups. And there are 6 designs of the cup. Vigoroth, Paralysis Toad. Not quite sure what that one. Oh, it's like those rabbit creatures. I don't know what they're called. And then we have 3 elders. This is Valhazak here, Teostra here, and Kushala. And let's open them up. I have just the 3 elders. I don't really care about the other stuff, but here's the Teostra one. Can't really see the art. There's kind of a reflection. Let me see if I can close this real quick. Okay, that didn't help. Let's see. Let me figure something out. Hold on. Alright, not sure if this is helping any better, but I used some paper, white paper, to maybe get a clearer image of the artwork. So again, this is Teostra. Again, it just wraps around the whole cup. There's his wings. And then it has some, the kanji. Alright, there's that. Next up, Silver Dragon. So then that is Kushala. Wing. Face. This is pretty cool. Alright. Alright, I have no idea what these 2 kanji say, but I know this one says death. And then this one says dragon, so obviously it's going to be Valhazak. If any of you speak Chinese or Japanese and you know what this kanji is, leave a comment. I'm really interested to know. I tried to check my dictionary and nothing came up. I might use Google and maybe I can find it later after I'm done editing and stuff. But yeah, this is pretty cool. It looks better in person. It doesn't, I think, because there's this glare and there's a lot of shadows going on right now in my room. But if you see it in person, it looks a lot better. But I think the Kushala one is still my favorite one of the cups. And of the plates, I like the Kirin one the best. But I think all three of these and all three of the plates, awesome. Must have for you Monster Hunter lovers if you like the collectibles. Alright. And that brings us to the final prize group, which is the G prizes, and they are towels. And the towels that I have are these three patterns, 1, 2, and 3. Let's quickly look at them. So we have the Monster Hunter logo. Then we have Nergigante. And then there's a towel with the 4 icons of elders. I did have these, but I sold them. I'm not interested in the Palico, or I just like the monsters. So I'm gonna keep these in plastic because I'm not probably gonna use them. I'm just gonna keep these as collectibles. But here's the color of this one, the Monster Hunter crest, I guess. And it has that like pale light green color and gray. And here's the Nergi. Let me see if I can move this. Get a shot of space. Yeah. I think this is a really cool towel. Oh, I'm sorry, length. So it says 60 centimeters, so about 2 feet in length. And this is the width. Probably about, I don't know, 7 inches. Right. Let me show you the back of this one. And finally, the one with the Elder Dragon logos. Teostra, Kushala, Valhazak, and Nerg. It's like a black and white color, monochrome. I don't know when I'm going to use these. I don't know if I'm going to be using these. I don't know. I might open them one day. Alright, so that was just some of the stuff that I received last year for the 7-11 ichibankuji for Monster Hunter World. I am anticipating that they are going to have another one because of Iceborne going to be dropped on September 6th. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed. You might be wondering where you can get these. You can only get these in Japan. You cannot get any of these items outside unless you probably look on eBay or whatever. And even so, I think they're going to be really good collectibles because I don't think they're ever going to make them again, to be honest. So if you could get your hands on these, then cool. Good for you. Alright guys, take it easy. Thank you for watching, and happy hunting. Peace.